Huawei entered the foldable phone market by announcing the Huawei Mate X in February 2019. The Mate XS was made official in 2020 as an updated edition of the predecessor model. Both devices flaunted an outward folding design. The Mate X2 and Mate X2 4G that came in recent years were made available with an inward folding design. Today, the company confirmed that it will be launching a new device named the Huawei Mate XS2 on April 28 in China. Ahead of the launch, a Chinese tipster leaked the design and key features of the device. The official poster released by Huawei teases the design of the Mate XS2. The moniker of the device suggests that it will have a design similar to the Mate XS model from the past. The Huawei Mate XS2 leaked images shared by Chinese tipster Geek Cow give a good look at its outward folding design. The images also showed that the device will be available in 3 colors: black, white, and purple. The Mate XS2's display can be seen sporting a punch hole design. As far as durability is concerned, the tipster claims that its screen will have multiple buffer layers to protect it from damage against drops. The company will probably drop test the device to show off its durability. The rear camera setup of the device will have a 50-megapixel primary camera. It will be accompanied by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. The tipster claims that it is unclear which 4G processor will be powering the device. Past reports have claimed that it may feature the Kirin 9000 4G or Snapdragon 888 4G chipset. The tender listing of the device revealed that it comes with HarmonyOS 2.0.1 and a 4500 mAh battery. The device is expected to carry support for 66-watt rapid charging. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe. It's free. Have a nice day. See you soon.